also like get these kinks out of it. Sick of me. There's some 2 leg days in the gym. Hey, and welcome to another video. If you're new here, I'm H.O.A, and if you're not, welcome back. Today is just gonna be a day full of like errand running and me trying to be an adult. First thing I need to do is stop riding like on the edge of life. Only got like 35 miles into E because I was refusing to go to the gas station nearest to my house because I felt like the gas price was too high. Why was it $3.39? That's too much. I like this other gas station, Murphy's, but it's a little like I gotta get on the expressway to get there, and I couldn't determine if they was being petty or not. Like, you're gonna use 3 miles of gas to go get cheaper gas. I don't know. But I'm on my way to the gym. I'm gonna save y'all because it's Friday, and y'all done seen my Friday gym routine like twice now. Some old jewelry that I want to see if it can be fixed and if it can be cleaned. Like, the first thing is like this herringbone necklace that I got like back with 2007. It broke like in the middle, and I don't know if y'all ever had herringbone necklace before, but they like get hitched like in the middle of it. So I want to see if they can actually fix it where it broke, and also like get these kinks out of it. Otherwise, I think I just need to go ahead and invest in another one. But I got this one. It's like a Christmas gift from my mom when I was in high school, and I broke it like years ago, and I just finally decided to try to get it fixed. Then an old pair of Then an old pair of like gold hoops. This one is missing the clasp on it. And then I have no idea if these are real or not. I feel like they are, but I can't remember when I got them or who gave them to me. But I want to see if they can clean these. Now the only thing is, the place I'm going to look a little sketchy. It look a little sketchy, but I'm gonna try it out anyway. How much is it? $154. That's with tax.
If you pay me cash, $154, but the tax will be $160.
So pay you cash $150.
$154. Yes, $150.
$150. Right there. You go write that out here. I don't want you to forget. Okay. How long until it's gonna be ready?
Monday ready.
It be ready when?
Monday.
Monday? Okay. It's my receipt. Okay, yes. Thank you. I'll see you Monday.
Okay.
That was easy.
Damn. Rest in peace, dollar bill. High heels real, but it's never real.
Troy's home. Well, let's go this way because I want to get some laundry detergent.
Coming to the house, I'll be clear right now.
I just thought about it. I'm kicking myself. I agreed to pay $99 for him to fix my herringbone necklace without bargaining. Because like on the earrings, it needed a piece and he was like $55. And I was like, no. And I said I would go get it done. Then he dropped it to $40. Or was it $45? One or the other. And now I'm thinking, shit. I should have said no on the first price he offered me for the herringbone. But it is actually like physically, like it's like broken. So I don't know if $99 is a good price or not, but now I wish I would have bargained with him more because he came down on the earring that I needed fixed, and then he came down just like $5 if I pay him in cash. Bargain. Always bargain. He was like, for you. And I should have got a for you when he quoted me for the goddamn necklace. As I'm finna go and splurge $20 on some dang on soap. As you get older, do you splurge like on your laundry detergent? This Buff City soap, the laundry detergent, it smells so good. But it's $20, and $20 is a lot for just this amount of laundry detergent. made it to my last errand of today, and baby, it's 5 o'clock. I'm just tired and I want to go home. Let me tell y'all, my H.O.A is sick of me. They are sick of me. So in the front of my townhouse, I got like a little flower bed. It's like the littlest flower bed ever. But last year, like, they would text me about the flower bed, that they did something to it and they hope that I don't mind, or they may have planted some flowers or put some mulch down. I'm like, cool, I don't got a green thumb. I'm not doing nothing to that flower bed. There ain't no weeds in it. It just look regular. It's nothing extravagant about it. Like, it don't look terrible, but it don't look flowery like a flower bed. So my H.O.A texted me and said, they didn't send me a picture of what they wanted me to buy and everything. This is what they text me. They are planning to plant some hostas, I'm pretty sure I probably pronounced it wrong, in my front flower bed. Requires no maintenance, etc. Happy face. The no maintenance is capitalized. We are getting the plants from the common area that need to be moved. Would you get 1 large bag of topsoil or 2 medium bags? So baby, they're like, take your tail to Lowe's and get this, because we're gonna do it for you. They sick of looking at it. Also, get a bag of mulch. See picture of the kind to get. They don't want me to get the wrong thing. They didn't send me a picture of the mulch, which I'm thankful for. Purchase it at Lowe's and just lay the bags on the bed. We'll probably plant on Monday. I don't know if they thought I was gonna be shamed, if I was gonna say no, don't do it. Listen. Please have your way in that front flower bed, because if it was up to me, I'm not doing nothing. And which is pitiful, because it's my dang on townhouse. But I told myself I was gonna garden this summer. Like, I may eventually got to eventually, but if y'all gonna do it and all I gotta do is like pick up the soil and the mulch, I can do that. I am a team player. Thank you, H.O.A, for being sick of me in my plain flower bed. I can do this for us. This is for us.
Yeah, you know I got the juice like a Tropicana, and I only like you in a friendly manner. While you always in the sun, you ain't getting tanner, and I'm puffing out above, there ain't nothing better. Yeah, you know I got the juice like a Tropicana, and I only like you in a friendly manner. While you always in the sun, you ain't getting tanner, and I'm puffing out above, there ain't nothing better. And I don't go outside, I left my...
Y'all, these some big ass bags of soil and mulch. I might have spoke too soon. I wonder how much this costs, because they didn't have no price tags out there, and that's never a good sign. How much did they ring up for?
The top floor is $298 a piece, the room $528.
Oh, $298, $298. Okay, I was afraid it was gonna be expensive because how big they are. Okay, cool. Yeah, I made a gain 5 pounds. I think I look good. I'm feeling myself today, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, there's some 2 leg days in the gym. Let me see if I can flip y'all around. Wait. And I came home and got dressed and got showered because me and Joe gonna go get tacos. Taco Friday. I wanted to do a whole picnic, but it rained all day yesterday, and I'm pretty sure the ground is soaked. I get a chance to wear like my Christmas or birthday gift. Like, I got this like a year ago. Like, and don't y'all know, it matched the shoes that I just got. The girl gonna start putting on clothes. I be buying clothes. I'm gonna start wearing the clothes. Y'all got clothes in y'all closet that y'all saving, or y'all just don't feel like y'all want to wear yet, or y'all just do like, I don't want to do the most. Do the most. Get dressed. Put it on. Y'all, if the background is dirty with stuff in it, we friends now. Like, we are literally family. So you get what you get. Let me put y'all on the other tripod. But like I was saying, we family. So if I come out here and the room ain't clean, the kitchen got dishes in it, like, we are family, and I'm treating you as such. And it makes it way easier for me to like film and get videos out if I'm not like being self-conscious. Like, oh, they think I'm dirty. I know I'm not dirty. I know I clean up. But I clean up when I get good and ready. Okay? And if y'all actually bought like the subscription to The Cut, they have a store in there called Why Don't I Just Not Clean It Up? That's not what it's called. It's called, let me see what it's called. Lord, I wish there was a way to search the site for articles instead of having to go all the way back through of them. I'm gonna find this thing on article. Okay, so if y'all have, like, if y'all got the Cut magazine, it's called What If I Just Didn't Clean That Up? And like that article was like very helpful to me, and now I feel like that, what if I just don't clean that up? Like, I'm gonna get to it. It's not gonna be sparkling clean when I come on camera every time, because it's just not realistic for me, because y'all know I'm always just like in a rush. I don't know how I got there, and I lost my train of thought trying to search for that article. Oh, so I was thinking that I would end this vlog today, just make it an errands vlog, but really I didn't run that many errands, and I kind of want to show y'all on Monday when I get the jewelry back how good of a job he did or did not do. And also, y'all know, whenever, maybe y'all don't know, whenever I see something on YouTube or Instagram, like a beauty treatment, I feel like I could do it myself. And I've been seeing so many people doing like the Gel X nails that I bought everything off of Amazon, and I kind of want to try it. These the nail clippers. I want to try it with y'all. So if I do in fact extend this video until tomorrow, Saturday, good. But if not, I wanted to end it so that it just doesn't end abruptly. So thank you guys for running errands with me. This was just a new feel, hang out with me kind of video. If it does end here, let me know what y'all think. I was a little nervous about it. I don't know. Anyway, I enjoyed spending time with you guys, and I will see you guys next time. And until then,
and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up?